In previous sessions, you studied transition elements. Now in this session, we are going to learn inner transition elements, that is F block elements. Okay, these are F block elements, that is inner transition elements. All are metals. Okay, next let us see some introduction part first. You know, S, P, D, F block elements. Okay, in case of S and P block elements, the differentiating electron enters in outermost shell, that is ultimate shell, that is N. Okay, these are the values of N. Next, in case of D block element, that is transition elements, the differentiating electron enters in N-1 D subshell of penultimate shell. While in case of F block elements, the differentiating electron, that is distinguishing electron, means the last electron enters in N-2 F subshell of pre-penultimate shell, that is anti-penultimate shell. That is, in case of F block elements, last three shells are incomplete: ultimate, penultimate and pre-penultimate. Okay, now let us see one by one point. First one, definition of inner transition elements, that is F block elements. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into N-2 F subshell of the anti-penultimate shell. Okay, next. Now, see here, these are F block elements. Okay, that is inner transition elements. This, see here, in the 6th period and 3rd group here, lanthanum, with atomic number 57. After this lanthanum, there are 14 elements are present called as a lanthanoids. Okay, lanthanoids. All these lanthanoids along with this lanthanum present in the 3rd group and in the 6th period here only. Okay, now the next, this actinium with atomic number 89. After this actinium, there are 14 elements. Okay, these 14 elements, that is called as actinoids. These actinoids along with this actinium present here only in the 7th period and 3rd group. Okay, now that is, there are two series here, first inner transition series and second inner transition series, lanthanoids and actinoids. Now these are together called as F block elements or inner transition elements. Now their position in the periodic table is block, F block elements of the periodic table. Periods, these are subset of 6th and 7th period. Okay, group 3rd. Okay, next, location, these are placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. Okay, now for lanthanoids, write 6th period. For actinoids, write 7th period. Remaining points are same. Now let us see actinoids, lanthanoids first. That is this one, Ln. Okay, now the series start with this cerium with the atomic number 58. 14 elements, the last lanthanoid is lutetium with atomic number 71. That is cerium to lutetium 58 to 71. Okay, now let us see their electronic configuration. Actually, these lanthanoids are present here. The preceding inert gas is xenon. Therefore, write here xenon. Okay, xenon. Then after this xenon, NS2, that is 6S2. Okay, 6S2. Then this one N-1D, that is here 5D, 0 to 1. Okay, after this N-2F, that is here 4F, 1 to 14. Okay, here. That is 4, 5, 6. That is here for lanthanoid N is equal to 6. Remember this one, ns, then n minus 1d and n minus 2f. Okay, now for lanthanides it is n is 6, then 5d, then it is 4f. Okay, next one for actinoids. For actinoids, this series start with thorium with atomic number 90 and then lawrencium with the atomic number 103. Thorium to lawrencium 90 to 103. Second inner transition series. Okay, here 5f subshell is successively filled, therefore 5f series. Okay, these are present here. The preceding inert gas is radon, therefore write radon. N is equal to 7, 7s2, then 7 minus 1, that is 6d, 0 to 2, and then n minus 2f, that is 7 minus 2, therefore 5f. Okay, 5f, 0 to 14. Okay, now here again same, n is equal to 7 for actinoids. Okay, therefore 5, 6, 7.